In this video, we are going to talk about choosing MS Orthopedics as a career post-MBBS. Orthopedics is the part of medical science that bargains with the conditions including the musculoskeletal framework. Being an orthopedician or orthopedic specialist, the professional utilizes both of the care just as the non-careful techniques to analyze and treat the ortho disease. In addition, this medicinal strength centers around the territories of bones, joints, muscles, tendons, ligaments, nerves, and so forth. Every one of the infirmities identified with the above center regions is the key worry of an orthopedician. Notwithstanding the careful and non-careful strategies, it is typically observed that they take the assistance of therapeutic, physical, and rehabilitative techniques too. Being a specific branch, orthopedician work intimately with different divisions and furthermore fill in as a specialist to those rehearsing as a general doctor. Orthopedics is a specific part of the massive ability. This branch covers the accompanying: fractures and separations, torn tendons, sprains and strains, tendon wounds, pulled muscles, ruptured plates, low back torment, knock knees, arthritis and osteoporosis, and so on. I hope this video gave you a good overview of selecting MD Orthopedics as a career option after an MBBS degree. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. Please like, share, and comment on this video. Thank you for watching it.